Hello everyone, and welcome to this Test Automation University course on visual validation of mobile apps. My name is Jonathan Lips, and I'm one of the lead maintainers of the Appium project. I also run a mobile automation strategy consulting firm called Cloud Gray. My firm is responsible for the weekly Appium newsletter called Appium Pro, which I highly recommend checking out if you're into mobile testing. One important category of requirements I run into when discussing mobile automation with my clients is visual testing. And so I'm very excited to walk you through Appium's capabilities for visual testing, as well as how Applitools can be integrated for greater effectiveness and convenience in your tests. So let's take a look at what we're going to learn. We're going to take a look at how we can augment Appium's core functional testing features by adding image recognition, which enables functional validation that's often not possible using other techniques. We're going to see how Appium can provide bare-bones visual validation using its integration with the OpenCV Image Processing Library in order to detect differences between app screenshots. We'll look at how to expand our visual validation capabilities by integrating our Appium code with Applitools Eyes for improved performance and developer ergonomics. And finally, we'll explore some advanced capabilities of Applitools to work around some of the problems inherent in visual testing. Okay, all this introductory stuff aside, let's begin.